Today I'm going to be making baked eggplant parmesan, and I have these beautiful eggplants from the garden. So I've cleaned them and now I'm going to slice them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the top of each eggplant and the bottom and discard that. And then I'm going to cut the eggplant into thin slices, but I want to be consistent. I'm going to continue to cut my eggplants thinly. So now what I'm going to do is I have 2 eggs and I'm going to beat them. And I'm going to begin my process of dipping each slice into the egg and then into the breadcrumbs to coat it. So I'm going to cover both sides and then dip it into the breadcrumbs and cover it. And then I'm going to place each completed slice onto a cookie sheet that has been sprayed with cooking spray so that it doesn't stick. I'm just going to continue this process until all my slices have been breaded. So I've placed all of the breaded eggplant slices onto the cookie sheet, and now I'm going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to bake these slices up. The eggplant is finished baking, and now I'm going to add some sauce to the top. So just make sure you cover all of the eggplant with a thin layer of sauce. I'm actually using a jar of sauce, but you can use homemade sauce, whatever you like. So I've covered the eggplant with a 24-ounce jar of sauce. I used the entire jar, and now I'm going to place some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. I'm going to go cover all of this and place it back in the oven, and I want to melt the cheese and just get it a little browned and bubbly, and then it's ready. Take about 20 minutes. Okay, gonna place this in the oven. See you back in 20 minutes. The eggplant parm is finished. It browned up nicely. You could serve this with a salad or pasta or however you like. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.